Hey guys, I'm HB, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is creative rock guitar riff. What I'm talking about here, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy with a free member account, or to support my work with a premium member account. So what are we talking about today? We have an easy rock riff with 3 chords, A minor, F and G, and I'm going to show you ways how to become creative. This is really simple chord progression. This is how it's going to sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the chords. And so on. I mixed up all the modules which I'm going to talk about. We're going to start from the very simple thing, start to build it up. And the key to everything is that you know what you're doing. If you know what you're doing, you can make a variation of what you have done. And you keep the thing going on, and that's what we're going to talk about today with these 3 chords. So let's get started. All right, guys. As I said, we have 3 chords, A minor, F, G. One bar is A minor, and F and G is in the second bar. So we start with the main rhythm. We're playing A5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go to F5 here, 3rd fret, 1, and we have a the rhythm is 1, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay. So now first variation is we may have 1, 2, 3, and we damp on count 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we switch here. Then 1, 2, and damp on 2. 1, 2, and 3, 4. So that's the first variation. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and what you don't see, I have my foot doing the rhythm, and this is really essential on this, that you really work out the rhythm to be really precise. If you're not precise on this, you cannot make the proper variations, okay? So that will be variation 1. Second one, and now we're starting becoming creative. We start to play the first chord not on 1, we play it on 2. And the rest stays. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. And the F is played 1 and 2. So 2 8 notes, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. And on the G, we also stop on 4. So let's play those 2 variations now with the backing track. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and variation. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So I didn't get enough air because the speech was so long. That's why I need to stop in between. It's important that you really count through the stuff and be precise also on ending the notes, you know, because I switched off the delay now. But if you work with delays, which I really recommend to make your sound more wide. So if you don't stop on 1, 2, 3, see, then it continues and it doubles up your efforts. I'm going to show you how it sounds with delay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's why you have to be really precise, because a note has also an ending, not only a beginning. When you stop precise on count 4 or 2, then it doubles up what you did. Okay. What you also can do, if you're more an advanced player, you have a lot of time here. Exaggerate a little bit. You can also start to add the beat. So 1, 1, 2. 3. You just press against the guitar, and then so 2, 3, 4. Everywhere where you have a little bit of time, you can do that, or you just do it from time to time. That's also cool. I'll show you. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's cool. Now, let's do the next variation. Next variation is we do a variation on the A, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we have an additional element, and it sums up really nice with the one before. So we have that one, and I really strongly recommend when you do variations, play them at least 2 times, that the listener has a chance, to get used to it, That's why I'm playing them always 2 times, that you really see, okay, that's how it works. Then the next comes, and the next one, and then the listener can hear how your riff evolves, and now you're gonna sound great with only 3 chords, okay? Now we are adding a little solo line to the new variation. So we have here A minor pentatonics 5/7 on 3 and to 16, and then on 4 4 5, so 5 5, but it's on 4 and 4 and 1 2 3 wait 1 2 3 and 4 1 and 2. Okay, I'm gonna switch on the delay again. That you hear how cool this thing sounds. 1 2 3. Sounds really cool. Okay. Now we wanna. Till now we did basically rhythm variations and not chord variations. Just we added a little single note line here at the ending. Now we do chord variations. So we move the chords to somewhere else. So now we make the A5 instead of down here, we make it here. 7 9, and the F5 is gonna be, I take this one, this is an F sus 9 here, 3rd fret open G string, 1st fret B string, and I make a lettering, but the rhythm is still the same. It's 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and then on 2 and I just slide this up. And this would be then a G5, okay? So, as I said, the same rhythm pattern, but we're changing the chord structure. That's now the trick. Before we change the rhythm structure, but not the chords, now we change the chords and keep the rhythm structure the same. If you want, you can also add this. Let's see how that works. but that's for advanced players. If you want to also add a single note line, it's up to you. Yo, works great. Now we make another variation on the chords but not on the rhythm. Instead of A5 we make A minor up here. Here 10, 9, 10. F would be, we make a slide here from 5 to 7. We make these little chords and slide up again. Same rhythm pattern, different chords. And with these chords you can add the vibrato with your fingers. You have time enough to do that. See? And when we add the delay again, it's gonna sound great. So let's do that one here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so on. So now you saw you can develop the whole thing. Now I'm gonna play one after each other that you get the hearing experience or sensation, how this really sounds when you develop these 3 simple chords to more sophisticated. And the trick is to make it sound interesting. You need to have a dynamic or a dramatic curve. You start like this, whoa. Then you go back down and then maybe second curve and so on. But I'm going to play the first curve, okay? 2, 3. Yo guys, that was Creative Rock Guitar Riff. A simple way to develop a simple rock guitar riff from simple to more complex, but still referring to the original riff. And this makes a thing sounds really nice and it's connected with each other. And this way you can create, as I said, these dramatic curves, you know. And it's kind of a system, and the better you know what you're playing, you know, when I play something, I can always just analyze, tack, 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 what I just played, the rhythm, the chords. And this way you can make variations. We had really simple chords, A minor, F and G, and the rhythm was also simple, but you need to be able to play the rhythm as it's written. So I really strongly recommend, if you're new to rhythm, that you start to work on your rhythm, your abilities to understand rhythm, also with the foot, you know. With my students, I'm always pretty tough on the foot, say, okay guys, Where's the foot? I want to see that, and that's the key to really becoming free in your expression and improvisational expression on guitar. Good, one more to say. If you want to download the tabs plus this backing track to practice this stuff here, it's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Please join there. It's available for premium members. You can also join as a free member. With a premium membership, you can download the stuff and also support the work I'm doing for you. New is I have a t-shirt shop. If you want to have a t-shirt, link is in the description box below or my webpage, you find it. I soon gonna have one myself. I'm gonna wear it. And yo, that's all what me and Dr. Pink are having to say. See you guys and rock on.